Again, I'm here in the operator seat. I'm ready to start the engine. The key is over on the right hand side. I note that I'm in neutral here. I'm in the park here. And we'll start the engine. We'll look around, verify no one is close by. There is a horn to honk on the end of the turn signal switch. It's not very loud, so look around, watch and listen. No one says anything. Turn the key, the first indentation, and then on to the start. Should start rather quickly, and the lights have lit up here to show that the lights are working. I'm going to turn the fan down here up on the controls here, primarily so to keep the noise down. You can adjust the fan here, the temperature control here. This dial turns around to direct the air of different vents. Typically run it in this position during the summer. In the winter time, or if you particularly have humidity problems, you can push this button and it will turn the air conditioner on to help alleviate fogging of the windows. Typically, I like to turn the air conditioner on, though, from the center button on the temperature control. When the little blue light is on, the air conditioner is running. Then you twist this dial to the desired temperature that's your comfort level. When you stop for the evening, I prefer that you turn this over to the coldest setting, push this button, and turn the air conditioner off. That allows the fan to run a little bit and get any humidity out of the system, and that way when we restart the engine, the compressor won't be engaged immediately. Again, we'll talk a little bit about controls here. Again, we're at the neutral, the gear shift here. Red here is the throttle. We have not only a hand throttle, but we also have a foot throttle on the floor. You can see me using that. Do not use that foot throttle when we're mowing, but if you're driving down the highway, you might want to use that for comfort. The brakes are individual brakes, but they are locked together right now, and here's the locking mechanism. This would give you an individual turning brake, right or left, but if you're going to be going down the highway, you'll want to lock these back into position so that either one activates both of them. This would prevent you from a panic stop hitting an individual brake and jerking you sideways. There is a differential lock on this. Typically we won't be using that unless you're in danger of getting stuck, in which case you will want to engage that. To release the differential lock, you would touch a brake and it would come off. Also, in the way of controls, primarily for the mower here is this yellow button, and to engage the mower, we will push down and forward, and the mower will begin turning. And in the tractor, we can feel that. On the display, I can see right here the RPM of the mower itself. And as I speed this engine up, you'll see this come up. This symbol over here is engine RPM. This one over here is PTO speed. That's the little PTO indicator. When we are operating the mower, we will want this to be running at about 1,000 RPM. So that's right. Fully, the throttle to full is going to overspeed that, so pull it back just a little bit. We're going to want to run it around 1,000 RPM, and this will be an optimum RPM for mowing. We talked about the controls. The first lever is going to raise the mower all the way up, or lower it down to the stop or to a bedding position. The other controls then are to pull this lever back and it will raise the wing. I don't want to actually do that very much at all with the PTO running. We should disengage, pull the throttle back to idle, disengage the PTO, and physically observe the turning of the PTO shaft. And when that stops turning, now we can use the 2 and 3 levers to raise the wings. So I'll just pull them back either singly or together. They come all the way up. When they're all the way up, this would be for road transport, and then I will hop out, we'll go around and show you where to put in the safety stops.